What in the world is the secret behind fasting? As we talk about what is the secret behind fasting, I'm interested in what is the secret behind you. And when I say what is the secret behind you, what I really mean is what makes you special. Zaina says, I love Noor kids so much. Oh, Zaina, that makes my heart smile. Thank you, my dear. Ifan Rafay says the different types of food I eat. Wanya from Louisiana says my personality makes me very unique. What are 3 words you'd use to describe you?
Creative, sweet, and kind.
Tell me a little bit about what makes you so special.
What makes me and Oriana so special is just that I'm half Indonesian, my sister's half Indonesian, and I'm also half Dominican, and my sister's half Dominican.
If I got a haircut and shaved off all of my hair, would I still be Amin? Yep, I'd still be Amin. If I lost 10 pounds, would I still be Amin? Yep, I'd still be Amin. I am not my body. I am what's on the inside, my soul. And in the same way, I am not my body, I'm what's on the inside. Each of you, in your body, you have something called a soul. And that soul is what makes each and every one of you special. I'm curious, what are some ways that we can feed our soul?
You can pray and make tasbih.
You know how when you go to a buffet and you see all these yummy, delicious food, there's lasagna, there's kebabs, and there's dessert, and there's a sundae, and you're I want it all, right? During the month of Ramadan, every act of worship we do, Allah multiplies it.
My name is Rihanna from Rihanna's Cuisines.
Hi, I'm Amina.
Today we're going to be working on stuffed dates. Now, dates are used around the world, and this is what we use to break our fast.
What do we have here?
We've got chopped apricots, we've got some chocolate sprinkles, got a little bit of a Rice Krispie treat in it, we've got small pretzels, we've got mini chocolate chips, pistachios, raisins, chocolate, dried strawberries. We've got all different types of sprinkles going on over here. We also have fig preserve here.
Our Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be on him, tells us that there is in our body one part that is very special. If this one part of our body is corrupt, if this one part of our body is ruined, then the whole body is ruined. But if this one part of our body is pure, then our whole body is pure too. And that is our heart, or as some people think about it, our soul. So during the month of Ramadan, when we fast, when we read Quran, when we engage in worship, it's an opportunity to feed our soul.
And I'm doing the milk chocolate. What do you think, Amina?
It's good.
They are absolutely delicious.
Everyone celebrates Amin, but he is still unhappy. Something's not right. What's wrong? Amin, I thought you'd be happy, says Mom. Do you know that feeling when you don't eat breakfast or lunch? In the same way, if your soul isn't fed, you'll start feeling uneasy. So how do I feed my soul? Asks Amin. Mom responds, by connecting with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala through things like prayer and fasting. Amin runs up to his room and sits on his prayer mat to talk with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Amin sits on his mat, smiling to himself. Now I feel better, alhamdulillah. In this story, we learned that what? During the month of Ramadan, our bodies go hungry, but we feed our soul.